US30, I'm still bullish in US30. I want to see it continue higher. You can see we came down here and mitigated a fair value gap. And look what we also have right here, another fair value gap. So buying from here, I'm anticipating for price to come up here and then I'll scale out significant profit. Right here is still a trade I'm on. Trades in profit. I scaled out some profit this morning. My first entry is up around 0.5, and my second entry is up around 1.5. So 1:5. My second entry and my first entry is 1.15. So right here is my second entry, stop loss here. You can see, I think it's up like 1:6 or so. So that's why I just had to take some profit off the table. And you can see the daily fair value gap we came into. And you can see how we reacted. Can you see how we reacted from that daily fair value gap?
Yeah.
Now, since this daily fair value gap couldn't take price to continue lower, you will see how price will now use it as support, continue higher. Now, these things are very important for you to mark them out because let's say, for example, I didn't mark this daily fair value gap. You can see the daily fair value gap. Let's say, for example, I didn't mark it. When price came in here and we saw this rejection, it would have scared me to close this trade thinking the trend had reversed. But because I outlined these levels ahead of time, I'm already anticipating to see a reaction from them, even before the reaction happens. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying.
Yes, both. I understand.
I'm anticipating for price to come up here, and I'm anticipating for it to react from this level aggressively. And that is why last week we saw, literally, look at how many times price reacted from there. 1, came in again, 2. This alone would have scared anybody that was on this trade to literally close that trade manually. Because you'll be like, oh, all my profits are going to be taken away from me. And you just close the trade out of fear. But I didn't do that because I have an understanding of my overall bias. All I did was trail my stop loss to my entry. If it goes against me, it's risk-free. I don't lose any of my money. And if it goes in my favor, I make money. Created a high, created a low, broke structure right here. Came back, retest, valid. That's still another trade for you from this high. You could have bought from this high right here. That's still another trade. It's almost 1:1 right now. I'm trying as much as possible to show you so many opportunities every single week. So you can literally be so confident that you're not in a hurry to take a trade. You just know you will see a good trade. Give us opportunity here. First entry, stop loss here. First entry, this fair value gap, break of structure. Give us another opportunity on 30 minutes time frame right here. A high, a low, a break of structure, retest, second entry. Give us another opportunity right here. Once we mitigated here, if you go to the smaller time frame, you can see right there, we created a high, a low, a break of structure, candle closed above, came back for a retest, and then rallied. If you had bought in there, that's also a third entry for you. Literally every single week, delivering trades. And went straight to the take profits.